my side. Let me share the screen. Okay. Guys, any questions? Any questions till now?
Sir, I have a small question, sir.
Yes, sir. Ask me, sir. No problem.
Sir, there is news spreading that officers are going to start from January. What do you think about it?
Okay, very good question. So in case if offices are going to start, yes, you can expect offices can start from January. Already started. They are asking us to come to office. Okay. So what we have to do in case if they ask us to come to office for attending interviews. Okay. So tell them the one which I'm working now. Okay. I got a chance to work till April or May. I can work from home. I can do work from home till March or May, something like that. So I'm there in my village, so you can schedule the interview, no problem at all. It's not mandatory as of now. It will take, guys, it will take 6 to 8 months to settle down the things if everything is back. Fortunately, we are going to hope again pandemic is not going to come. Okay, why? Because you know, right, that's the worst situation of the pandemic. Okay, so see guys, some people I know some people, okay, they will pray the god, oh god, again, okay, they are going to open the offices, please do something like that. They are going to pray. Don't pray for pandemic again, guys. Please don't pray. Right. Okay, you got the point, right? Don't again welcome the corona, guys. Okay, for your purpose, don't welcome the corona again. Okay, right. And in case, see, to settle down the things now, management is asking us to come to the office. That's okay, but what you can do is tell them my company is allowing us to do work from home for the next 4 to 5 months. So I am in my hometown. So if you want, you can schedule the interview. Don't use that if you want. You can please schedule the interview. Sometimes we are not intentionally rash, but the words we are using might give you a rash meaning. Okay. So please avoid those kind of words and all during the interview. Practice yourself. Okay. Fine. So tell them, okay, to come to the office. Okay, everyone to come to the office, it will take minimum 6 months, guys. I'm sure for that. I'm sure. Okay, so tell them directly this is the situation, so no problem. Clear? Any issues, any doubts?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
And they're asking what is your SQL DBA experience? They're asking, sir. And after that, what is the relevant experience in
That's
SQL
what
DB? Means
yeah. First two questions they will ask, what is your SQL DB experience? They don't ask like that, what is your total experience, what is your relevant experience? Okay,
Yes,
total
sir.
experience you can tell 10 years, relevant experience you can tell 5 years. If they ask you which
In
technology
SQL DBA means, sir?
in SQL DBA, that is called relevant experience.
Relevant means SQL DBA.
SQL DBA, that's what we discussed till now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Relevance
sir.
means
Yes, sir.
relevant means completely in SQL DBA how much experience you have.
Okay, okay.
Clear, guys? Any issues, any doubts? Right? Terminologies used in the organization. Terminologies or shortcuts, you can say as shortcuts. Okay. So sometimes you will get this kind of things and all PFA attached. Okay. What is that? EOD, COB. Okay. And of course, I am not interested to tell this, but of course, you will get these kind of responses also. WTF. Okay. Sometimes you will get these kind of responses also. And what else? Please mute it, guys. Please mute it. If you don't have questions, please mute it. Okay. And plus, they will include plus. Okay. And make sure you are like having experience in handling Outlook and all. What else? What other terminologies will have? SOP, not SOP, this one, what is that? ASAP, everyone knows, right? ASAP. Okay. As early as possible. ASAP means as early as possible. And what else? These are different okay, abbreviations they are going to use. PFA means proof attached. Okay, you will get this one in the mail. They will simply mention PFA attached, something like that, proof attached. Okay, document attached. EOD means okay, end of the day. Okay, and COB means closing of your business, by closing hours of your business hours. Okay, business. Okay, And sometimes, of course, guys, I don't tell the answer for this. And again, don't ask why I'm mentioning, why I'm included this WTF means, okay. Guys, I know some people still don't know, okay, what is this WTF and all. Okay, so just Google it. What happened means sometimes one day what happened, one of the student, okay, he directly asked what is FTF, what WTF. He asked a girl. You don't know the meaning, so that's why you ask. That's not an issue, but this is something awkward. Okay, so you cannot ask these kind of things and all. So what girl will think, what she will think, might be you are wantedly asking this one, right? So again, go to Google and check it. In case if you don't know the abbreviation, first depends on Google. Check in the Google. Don't directly ask anyone. Okay, so don't do these kind of things. And plus plus means he is going to include. Sometimes in the mail you will get plus plus Dilip plus plus. Okay, your name plus plus means please take a look on this mail. Simply they will mention just plus plus. Okay, please please look on this particular email chain. Please take a look on this email chain. So he want to include you. So that's why he is going to simply mention plus plus as early as possible. Okay, and time zones. Okay, time zones, usually you will have different time zones. IST is Indian Standard Timing, MST, BST, okay, EDT, EST, UDT. What is that, guys? UDT, yeah? What is the time zone? One time zone is there, Central Time Zone. I have to check it. Okay. Yes. Okay. IST, Indian Standard Timing. And what is this MST, guys? Mountain Standard Timing. BST, British Standard Timing. EDT, EST, Eastern Standard Timing. Okay, means US. These two are US timings. This is UK timing. This is also US timing. This is Indian timing. And Singapore, Afifa, what is your time zone?
Tell me, sir.
SG,
And now
SST,
here,
yeah?
10:30, sir.
10:30, okay.
SGD.
SGD, very good. SGD, I need this one. What is this, Singapore?
Okay, sir.
General, huh?
SGD, said. SGT. Sorry.
SGT.
SGT.
What is the abbreviation for SGT? You also don't know.
I
Not
don't
an
know,
issue.
sure, sir.
Not an issue, not an issue.
More
Sometimes,
time,
sometimes,
think,
yes,
sir.
it's true. Sometimes we don't know. We'll simply use it. Okay, not an issue. Okay. So SGT and all, Singapore timings, Australian timings and all will be there. Then those are the local timings, guys. That's it. It's just the timings. Okay. Guys, any questions, any doubts? These are the abbreviations and terminology or shortcuts. They are going to use it.
Sir,
Yeah.
ticketing tool ఏం వాడతారు సార్?
Yeah, okay. Ticketing tool, okay. So it depends upon the company to company. So a lot of companies will go for ServiceNow. Okay. You can call it as a Snow also, Snow tickets, Snow tickets. Snow means ServiceNow. Yes, NOW, Snow, ServiceNow. Okay. Ticketing tool, there are a lot of ticketing tools are there. BMD Remedy is one ticketing tool. Okay. And Lotus Notes is one ticketing tool. Okay. So these are the different ticketing tools. Jira is one ticketing tool. After Snow, Jira is famous. Control X, enter Control V. Jira is one ticketing tool. Okay, BMD Remedy is one ticketing. Or you can simply tell them we have our own ticketing tool. Okay, own ticketing tool. But again, they will ask what is the ticketing tool name. Okay, you have to make sure the ticketing tool name, right? Even though you can have your own ticketing tool name, but you should have some knowledge. Okay, what is the ticketing tool name and all.
ఓకే.
Okay, and they will
Any
ask you any
monitoring tool,
monitoring. Yeah,
any
very good.
monitoring.
Next point is that only. Okay, monitoring tools. So they will ask you monitoring tools. So you can mention SCOM from Windows monitoring, SCOM or SCOM, SCOM or SCOM. It's from Windows monitoring. Okay, so we'll use Windows monitoring to monitor SQL servers also. Okay, and you can use SolarWinds is one monitoring tool. Backup tools, let me tell you backup tools. You can mention this Commvault backup tool, VAULT Commvault backup tool. Any other backup tools, guys? Any other backup tools? Commvault is the famous backup tool. Okay. And let me check who is that. Lightspeed. Very good. Very good. Lightspeed is also one more backup tool.
We
Okay.
already scheduled for backups now, sir. Again, third-party tools, sir. That
It
backup
depends. It depends.
tool.
Some companies, some servers, they will schedule local backup. Some servers, they will schedule, okay, using tools and all.
Okay.
Okay. So Redgate is also there. Redgate, Idera.
If you have, they will ask if you have any backup tool, means you can send us anything.
Yeah. You don't tell any tools. They will ask you, do you have knowledge on that? Don't tell. We are going to use
Okay, okay.
native backups only. Native backups means your SQL Server backups.
Achha, okay, okay.
Okay.
Native means
Right.
SQL backup.
Native means SQL jobs. Through jobs, you are taking the backup. That is called native backups.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts, guys? Any doubts? Any issues? Fine, clear, everyone. If it is clear, that's it, guys. Okay. Don't disconnect. That's it, means don't disconnect. We have still, wait a minute. Someone is already disconnected. You are going to miss something, guys. So now you are perfect in the SQL Server. Everyone.
Sir, we have prepared some entry questions, sir. Give that questions, answers only. Enough. Only for that, only 30, 40 questions. So answers enough.
I
We
don't
have
send
questions.
answers. It's your
We have
responsibility.
answers. We have
That's
questions.
great.
Don't have.
Then search it, Google it. Okay, so someone is already dropped,
Google, we are
guys.
not getting.
You have to like use different keywords and all to get the answers. Okay, right, fine.
Unable to get the answer, sir.
Nothing like that. Don't tell like that. See, if you don't know means that doesn't mean there is no, okay, nothing in the Google. Okay, so might be you have to use some different keywords. That's it. Okay, right, fine. Okay, then that's fine. Now, kaun banega crorepati? Who wants to be a SQL DBA? Who wants to be a SQL DBA, guys?
Allah, batch, Allah.
Right, come on.
Everyone wants to be SQL DBA, sir.
Right, come on. Okay, so let me go for the game. This is the game. Okay, so game rules. Let me tell you. This is the game quiz. Okay, quiz on SQL DBA. Okay, there are total 2 quizzes are there. 15 questions. Who want to be a SQL DBA? Kaun banega crorepati? Okay. Right, 15 questions. You have to directly send answer to me, guys. In the chat window, if you go down, you can see everyone and you can see my name from the drop down. You have to type directly. You have to type the answer to me only. You cannot type in the everyone section. Please choose now only. Please choose now and send a sample message also. You got my point, right? In the chat message, okay, in the chat message, select me. Okay, don't select everyone. Okay, and send me the sample test message, anything done light. Okay, fine. Okay, anything you can send. Hi also, that's fine. Okay, guys, I will consider those who are sending direct message to me only. If you send message to everyone, I don't consider. You're out of the game. Okay, fine. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready, guys. Okay. Chalo, okay. Chalo, your game starts now. Okay. Let me. Okay, where is that slideshow? Okay, done. I don't give you dollars and dollar. Okay, don't expect anything, guys. This is just to show you how much knowledge you have. Simple questions only. Your game starts now. First question: what is the default port number for default instance? Done. Time over. Okay, that's when I'm going to review your answers. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to review your answers. Sriram, Srinath. Okay, fine. Ramesh Babu. Okay, C. Okay, C means what? Your 1433, right? Okay. C3. Who is that? Mukesh 3. You can mention C or you can mention the answer. Okay. Good, 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 good. Still got answer. Okay, Mukesh. That's fine. Okay. Good, guys. Right. Fine. One question is completed. Right. Next question. I have to select the answer or what? Arre. Might be I have to select the answer, but the answer is 1433. You'll get the error here, red mark. Okay, so nothing to worry. Okay, right. Let me go to next question. I am not directly going to the next question, guys. Why it is not going to next question? Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me go like this. All right. SQL Server is a dash software. DBMS. Who is that? Sairam Ramseti. DBMS Hassan. Afifa said, yeah, DBMS. Guys, come on. Sairam Ramseti. Okay, you changed the answer again, huh?
Sir, in a hurry, I put it
Ah, that is important. Okay. There is nothing like hurry. Okay. So the answer is RDBMS, guys. Okay, let me go to next question. What is the next question? Arrange the system database as per the database IDs. I want to know the answer for this question. Let's see how many of you are correct. Okay. I want to see. That's it, huh? Who is that Hassan? Huh? You typed the whole okay database IDs, huh? Afifa. Srinath, okay.
Yes, sir, it's wrong.
It's wrong, sir.
I am with mobile, sir. That's why I cannot.
Govardhan,
No
okay.
laptop.
Mukesh is wrong. Gopi is wrong. Anjaneyulu wrong. Divya correct. Kumar
One
correct.
more.
And who else? Govardhan is correct. He's the first Govardhan sent a message. Okay. So he's the winner of this question. And Kumar is correct. Uma is wrong. Hassan, okay. And Sri Sairam, wrong again. Afifa, wrong. Srinath, okay. Ramesh, okay. Wrong. Ramesh, wrong. Okay. Fine. Ramesh is wrong. Right.
Which one is correct, sir?
This one, sir. Master database
D.
1. D. Yes. Those who said D, that is correct. Master database 1, temp DB ID is 2, model DB ID is 3, MS DB ID is 4, MS resource database ID is 32,767. Okay. Let me go to the next question. What is the query to check the blockings? What is the query to check the blockings? First answer is select star from sys.sys processes. Guys, what is your answer? Your time is over.
A.
Everyone is A, na? Let me check. K. Ramesh Babu, D for what? A. Option A. Okay, so D, who is that D? Select star from sys databases where block less than greater than 0. Is it? What is the answer, guys? What is the answer? It's A. Select star from sys processes where block not equal to 0. Okay, it's A. The answer is A. Those who said A, most of you said A only. So that's fine. I'm happy. And let me go to the next question. Fifth question, guys. How many SQL Server standalone and cluster instances we can install in a machine? 50-50, 50-25, 50-49, 51. Don't tell the answer, guys. Type the answer.
Hussein.
Please, please mute it. Okay, so who said C? Kumar. And okay, Kumar is wrong. Mukesh wrong. Gopi just mentioned 50.1. I don't know what is that. If that is your answer, that is wrong. Okay. And Afifa, oh, you are right, Afifa. Come on, Divya, correct. Govardhan, correct. Gopi wrong. Okay. Ramesh Babu Deva, you are wrong. Okay. The answer is 50-25. 50 standalone instances, 25 cluster instances. Okay, right? So next question. Everyone is ready, guys? Questions are very simple only. This is just basic level questions. B only, Ramesh. You said B only. Let me check. B. Ramesh Babu Deva. It's last message. It is showing A. Let me check. Other than that, okay. Got it. Might be it is last message. Okay. Right. Okay. So the next question is, what is the valid backup strategy in the below? Weekly differential, daily full, weekly full. Okay. And weekly full, weekly differential, weekly log, weekly full, daily differential, every 15 minutes log, all of the above. Very good. Okay. So everyone is correct. Come on, Afifa.
Sorry,
DD,
sir.
2 times D. Okay, so except Afifa, I guess everyone is correct. Okay, weekly full, daily differential, every 15 minutes log backup, guys. Weekly differential, daily full, weekly log backups not valid. Weekly full, weekly differential, weekly log not valid. Okay, and weekly full, daily differential, every 15 minutes log backup, and all of the above is not valid. Okay, all of the above, you said all of the above, Afifa, not D, it's the C. Okay, let me go with the next question, guys. Right. So how to take tempdb backup? Backup database name to disk is equal to file name.bak. Backup log database name to disk is equal to file name.ern. Backup database tempdb to disk is equal to file name.bak. We cannot take tempdb backup. What is the answer?
Already.
Got answers only from 6 or 7 people only. B. Ramesh Babu Deva. Ramesh Babu Deva. Afifa C. Sunil C. Sairam Ramsiti A. Uma Maheshwar D. So guys, still most of you are like typing wrong answers. Okay, Afifa, you are wrong. Sunil, you are wrong. Sairam, you are wrong. Okay, Sairam again, sorry sir, B. Okay, so you cannot change your answer. That's it. It's fixed. Okay, and Ramesh Babu Deva, it's for which question? B only. What is your answer? B only, right? I don't see any other answer from you, so that is for B only. So you're also wrong. So guys, what is the answer, guys?
D, sir.
Only D.
Okay, so we cannot take the backups for the temp DB. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, fine. Let me go to the next question. Orphan login means a login without user, a user without login, a login without Windows user, a login with Windows user. A tricky question. Again, take some time and answer your question. Okay. Mukesh B, A, Hassan A, Afifa B, Sairam Ramsiti B, Ramesh Babu B. Why I am telling the answers? I cannot tell, right? This is very special question, guys. Very special question. Again, think about it. That's it. Answer is locked. Okay. Fine. Clear. That's it. Any more answers are there? Anjaneyali Gaud is the last answer. I'll consider Anjaneyali Gaud as the last answer. Okay. So no more answers now. An orphan login is a login without user, or a user without login, or a login without Windows user, or a login with Windows user. Everyone said B and A. All of you are wrong. Orphan user is different. Orphan login is different. Clear, guys? Clear, everyone? Everyone is wrong. So what is the answer then? Tell me the answer. No problem. No need to type. Sorry?
B.
Sir, no more logins is there. వాళ్ళు కదా సార్ ఆర్ఫన్స్ అవుతారు.
See, you
Yes, sir.
only don't concentrate only orphans. We have orphan user, we have orphan login. D. Who said D? Who said D? D
Sairam,
for
sir.
Delhi. Sairam. Wrong. If a login with Windows user is there, if a parent is there, how come he became an orphan? Tell me. See, right? See, guys, a login without Windows user is your orphan login. Grandfather, father, children. If you remove father login, then the associated users will become orphan users. If you remove the main user, Windows level user, then the logins associated with the particular Windows user become orphan logins. The answer is C. Everyone typed B and A. All are wrong. What is the query to find orphan users? SP change users login report. SP change users login. SP change user login report. Guys, you have to check it once. SP change users login report. SP change user login report. SP users change login report. SP change users login reports. Again, don't confuse, guys. Check here. SP change users login report. SP change user login report. SP users change login report. SP change users login reports. A, D. So now mixed answers. A, D, A, D. So you are confused between A and D answer. Okay. A change users login report. D change SP change users login reports. So the answer is A, not D. Okay. SP change users login report, not reports. Okay. SP change users login report is the correct answer. What is the size of the page and extent? 8 KB, 64 KB, 8 KB, 64 MB, 8 KB, 8 KB, 8 MB, 64 KB. Any more answers? That's it. That's it, huh? And Divya, correct. Anjalilu Gaud, correct. Tota Sunil, correct. Srinath, closed, okay. Right, and Tota Sunil, correct. And Srinath, wrong. Sairam, wrong. Ramesh Babu Deva, wrong. Gopi, correct. Mukesh, correct. Govardhan Reddy, correct. Hasan, correct. Okay, so the answer is A, guys. It's 8 KB, 64 KB. Okay, 8 KB, 64 KB. So some of you said D, right? C, someone said C and B also. Okay, 8 KB, 64 MB. It's not correct. 8 KB is the page size, 64 KB is your extent size. What is the size of the page and extent? Okay, this is completed, right? And let me go to this 11th question. What is the basic storage unit of a SQL server? Is it an extent or file group or page? Guys, just calculate your answers. How many of you are correct? How many of you are wrong? Okay, at the end of the day, I'll ask you. End of the session. Calculate how many of you are wrong, how many of you are right. Okay, so for example, how many till 11 questions completed, right? In 11, how many of you are correct? How many of you are wrong? Tell me, okay? You have to finally at the end of the day, at the end of the quiz, you have to send a message to me. I am of course calculating, okay? Don't, you cannot blame. Everything is recorded, okay? Option D. Hassan D. Mukesh C. Govardhan Reddy D. Option A, Srinath. I guess it is for last question. Okay, and FIFA C. FIFA. So the answer is D. It's a page. Okay, it's a page, not file group or file. It's a page. The basic storage unit of a SQL server is a page. Okay, and let me go to the next question, guys. Log files are internally divided into DLFs, KLFs, MDFs, VLFs. Come on. Log files we are internally divided into Ramesh Babu. Just unmute once. Ramesh, what happened, Ramesh? Huh?
LF, okay, fine, sir. VRD.
Only for you I designed these answers. Only for you, to confuse you only I designed the answers.
LF is fine, sir.
LF
Database
is fine,
data
but
log
which
files
LF
checking.
is you don't know, DLF or MLF?
I think D means data log files.
Huh?
It's not like this.
Yo, Ramesh. Okay, so that's it. Time and Govardhan. You are calculating time. Okay, that's fine. Very good. So the answer is D, guys. VLFs, virtual log files. Every log file will be internally divided into VLFs, virtual log files. Okay, every log file virtually divided into VLFs. The answer is D. Those who said remaining options, they are wrong. Okay, and let me go to the next question. Log shipping basically works on what jobs? Backup job, monitor job, copy job, backup job, copy job, restore job, copy job, sync job, monitor job, backup job, copy job, check DB job.
Sir, meeting time is up, sir.
Oh, okay, let me reopen the meeting, guys. Okay, thank you for reminding me. Let me reopen this. Okay.